as famously called is the entrepreneurship education, which is an initiative of the federal government on how to equip students, especially the graduating students, on how to be the boss of themselves after leaving school instead of living for the white collar's job. This is a practical of the plumbing students, those that went for plumbing during the entrepreneurship education. This is a cubicle which contains the washing hand basin, this is the toilet, and this, as you can see, is the shower. This is used as an example of what they can do or what they are taught during the entrepreneurship education classes. With this, I'll be interviewing some of the students to know their view of the stress they went through, the experience they gathered, and how they can equip them, how they have equipped themselves to focus on the future. On this, Mr. Lawal from the Estate Management Department, he will be talking to us about his experiences, what he has gathered in doing this cubicle. Let's talk to him. Please introduce yourself very well, sir.
I'm Lawal Samson Olawale from that Degree Department, Estate Management, HNO2. During the practical class, I learned a lot, like how to be self-established. Actually, I got involved in the plumbing practical class. All goes to our facilitator who helped us out in teaching us on how to couple the equipment and the things together and the building. And now this is our practical job there, which we have all gathered as a group to bring forth. And I thank those that brought about this initiative of entrepreneurship, because this will also help us during and after our graduation. Thank you very much.
Okay, as you said earlier, it will help you after your graduation. Are you now implying that you will go further in learning this or knowing more about it, even in the future?
Yes, this is what I have passion. Since I chose it from the beginning, if I graduate and hopefully I have the chance, then I can furthermore proceed to learn more about it.
Thank you very much for your time, and I hope and I wish that God will help you.